And happening today, local leaders will hold a press conference to clarify what can be done legally regarding the homeless issue of sleeping outside. News 4 Tucson's Connor McGill joins us live from the Pima County Historic Courthouse, where that press conference is going to be held. Connor, we know there was a Supreme Court ruling made just last week on the matter. Break down that for our viewers.
Robbie, in a 6-3 decision from the U.S. Supreme Court, cities can now criminalize homeless people sleeping in public places. The court argued that outdoor sleeping bans do not violate the 8th Amendment's ban on cruel and unusual punishment. The case originated in the Oregon town of Grants Pass, which appealed a ruling striking down local ordinances that fine people $295 for sleeping in public parks. The court stated that the punishments imposed by Grants Pass do not qualify as cruel or unusual. So the big question remains, what will Pima County do? Well, in a joint statement from Pima County Attorney Laura Conover and Pima County Board of Supervisors Chair Adelita Grijalva, we get an idea of just that. Quote, "We cannot arrest our way out of the problem, and simply being unhoused is not a crime. If a homeless encampment is a problem, we have a long-standing policy to deploy assistance resources to these areas and effect relocations before requiring people to leave an area," end quote. Now, you might remember it was back in May when a portion of the 100-acre wood was cleared out. Many living in that area given multiple notices to vacate while also being offered resources. I think it's fair to say this is the approach that's going to be taken locally following this ruling, but we'll have to wait to see what happens this afternoon during a press conference with Laura Conover and Adelita Grijalva. Robbie?